Hey guys, how's it going? How to create hidden rooms in Roblox games. So open Roblox Studio, right? And basically launch the Roblox Studio and choose the game that you want to edit or create a new one, and create your hidden room using parts like walls, floors, etc. You can design it however you like, but keep it hidden, and use a part like a wall or a door that acts as a hidden interest, and then set its transparency to 1, and properties panel to make it invisible, and use a touch or click detector on it to trigger a function that changes its transparency or position to reveal the entrance. Create a lever or a button that can be pressed to open the hidden room, and insert a script to handle the reveal action. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to add decorations or secrets inside the hidden room to reward players who find it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.